What you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Nitro? Where are you going?
Mike, it's cold. Come in.
Come on, it's 0 degrees out. Greyhounds don't like the cold. Come on. Get in now. What are you doing? What are you doing? You gonna come in? You've been running around like crazy. Come on, Nitro. Come. Come on, let's go. Come on. Crazy. Where are you? Come on. Oh my God. Literally 0 degrees out, 27 below 0 wind chill. Come on in the house. Come on. Let's go. I'm not going to chase you all day. Come on. Oh my God, you're crazy. Wow. What? You're gonna catch pneumonia. Get in the house. Huh? Come here. Wow, he's so crazy.
What
are you doing?
Pretend that you're going
Alright, hold on.
opening the fence, you come right away and then you put on the